And over 400 people attended the Qualified Data Center Community Meeting in Landover Saturday to make their voices heard.
CTV's Anaya Falcon was there and shares how the meeting derailed.
This meeting on Saturday was originally meant to get written feedback from community members on data centers being placed in Prince George's County. But when attendees felt they didn't really have a say in the matter, the meeting turned into an uproar. A plea that came after people felt their roundtable exercise to gather strategies and concerns and the marketing in the room sent a message that data centers are coming to Prince George's County whether they like it or not.
They're trying to position it in a way where you walk in, the first thing you see is these are the benefits of this. There are no benefits. We are not going to receive these imaginary benefits.
It really feels like a betrayal. You know, I don't blame the council people that are in office now. I don't know if these decisions were made prior to their tenureship, but as a community, we do things together.
Some community members asked for the opportunity to verbally address the data task force and county council members. They were denied, so community members took the opportunity by force.
I was making rounds at the breakout tables and seeing a general consensus that this feels like a waste of time for the people. We started a chant and everyone joined in. It's very clear that the vast majority of us are on one accord.
After a few minutes of chanting, county officials gave residents a minute apiece to make their voices heard.
It is a kick in the face for them to come into our neighborhoods, deplete and take all of our resources in exchange for not giving us anything but long-term health defects.
Other community members expressed over the microphone their concerns for higher utility bills as well. But some shared the benefits of data centers, to the tune of hundreds of boos across the sports and learning complex in Landover.
It would be very valuable, especially when we're getting ready to lose Northwest Stadium, getting ready to lose Six Flags. And why do you think they have a deficit?
The chair of the county council and the co-chair for the data center task force says they were just trying to find a happy medium when coming up with the data center policy recommendations.
Perhaps the line in the sand for some of us is we're not going to put it in a residential neighborhood or in a commercial zone, but if it's in a rural zone somewhere, we might find that appropriate. We're not there yet.
But most Prince George's residents say they don't want data centers in the county at all, and they'll keep fighting to make sure that doesn't happen. In Landover, I'm Anaya Falcon, CTV News.
The data task force will end in November, so that policy recommendations can be sent over to the county government for review. Another qualified data center task force meeting will be held this Wednesday at 11 a.m. at the Maryland National Capital Park and Planning Commission Largo headquarters.